Hello student, within few seconds you can easily understand how can you identify linkage isomer of the given complexes. And I'm Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and let me know from which country you are watching my video. Thank you for watching. Now CONH3 and see here central atom I have taken same and these 5 ligands I have taken same and counter and also same. Only I changed this ambident ligand which can show different type of linkage. Okay, so here these are ambident ligand, ambident ligand show this linkage isomers. Okay, so both either side of the they are attached with the central atom. So CONH3 means in ambident ligand, Mb means two-sided. Okay, so ONO through through ONO they will join to cobalt or through N. So I can write down like here, see OCNO, NO2. Okay, and here we can write down COONO. Okay, this type of linkage will be there in nitrito, and when we are saying nitro, at that time end-donated lone pair of electron to cobalt. Okay, so now see here, this is strata-amine nitrito O because cobalt is linked with oxygen, so nitrito O, cobalt 3 chloride. Oxidation state of cobalt is 3 because nitrito carry 1 negative charge, ammonia neutral, and this Cl2 is there, so minus each Cl is having -1, so total -2 charge over here, so this sphere will having +2, so here there must be +3 charge, then only it will become coordination sphere is having +2 charge. Okay, now CONH3 NO2 tetraamine nitrito N or nitro N, cobalt 3 chloride. Here this is CO when linked with SCN, we will call it thiocyanate. Cobalt when linked with SCN, so sulfur is donor atom, is donate lone pair of electron to cobalt in ligand. So this is pentamine cobalt will write down last. Pentamine thiocyanate cobalt 3 chloride, and now we will go for this. When cobalt is linked with nitrogen, NCS will grouping is here, so at that moment nitrogen donate lone pair of electron to cobalt central atom, so it will be isothiocyanate, pentamine isothiocyanate cobalt 3 chloride. Now here NC COCN linkage is there or CONC linkage is there, potassium here pentamine cyano cobalt 3 chloride, pentamine isocyanone cobalt 3 chloride, or cyano or cyanido